साथियों, गुड मॉर्निंग and namaskar. Today I am presenting a video on spinal cord problem issues and problems related with the spinal cord where the injection is put while you go under operation. जब भी आप कभी ऑपरेशन के लिए जाते हैं और डॉक्टर को अनेस्थीसिया करना पड़ता है तो वो आपके स्पाइन के अंदर इंजेक्शन देते हैं ताकि आपका कनेक्टेड पार्ट जो है लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी वो आपका सुन्न हो जाए या अनकॉन्शियस हो जाए सो दैट डॉक्टर कैन वर्क प्रॉपरली। तो उसी रेफरेंस में अभी मेरे पास एक पेशेंट का कॉल आया था। उन्होंने बोला कि एक लेडी को डिलीवरी हुआ है और 2 मंथ हो गए उसके डिलीवरी को और उसके बाद उसकी स्पाइन के अंदर बड़ा सीवियर पेन है और वो सीवियर पेन स्पाइन के अंदर है। जब मैंने उनको कंफर्म किया, आई आस्क्ड द पेशेंट टू कंफर्म मी whether this pain in the spinal cord is at the place of injection which the normally doctor put while the patient undergo for operation. जब पेशेंट ऑपरेशन के लिए जाता है, स्पेशली लेडीज़ के लिए या मेल के लिए भी होता है कई बार, तो लेडीज़ के लिए दिस सिचुएशन बिकम वेरी एम्ब्रेसिंग। एवरी टाइम दे गो फॉर द डिलीवरी, डॉक्टर पुट ए इंजेक्शन इन द स्पाइन and sometime that injection place of injection become very painful. Even after 1 year, 2 year, 4 year they are having the pain on that particular area. तो उसके लिए जब पेशेंट ने मेरे को रेफ़र किया तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये डिलीवरी के टाइम इंजेक्शन का पेन तो नहीं है। दे कंफर्म कि हाँ, यस इट इज द पेन ऑफ द इंजेक्शन, साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ द इंजेक्शन। Immediately I asked the patient to just apply a color. According to my theory, Agarwal energy concept and color therapy, I apply the various color according to the situation, according to the location, according to the problem of the patient, where which energy is causing the problem or which problem is hurting the patient. What is the reason behind it? Unless I am not able to diagnose what is the reason behind it, I cannot share the protocol. I never share the protocol. This is my first basic fundamental, because I am working for the results. I want results on a patient whom I have given a treatment. He must feel happy. He must say, I am cured, I am comfortable. So this is the reason, without proper diagnosis, as a thumb rule, I cannot give any protocol to anybody. If you are interested, you want to learn this therapy, you are always welcome. You can learn my online classes. Okay. So now I will give you the example of that lady. In the picture you can see, this is the picture. This is the human body spine. In the picture I have shown you the human body spine. The spine, there are 2 points marked. There are 2 points I have marked. One are the painful point. Painful point. This is the painful point where she was having the pain. When I saw the picture of that patient, she is having the pain at this location, I immediately asked the patient to put a black color circle around it. You can see I am drawing the circle. You can see this. Just I have told the patient to draw a black color circle around the injection spot where the pain was hurting to the lady. So this is the Agarwal energy concept and color therapy and application of my colors. How I apply the colors on the body meridian, how I apply the color directly on the body. It's my skill, my knowledge, and I am getting very good results. In this picture you can see after putting a black color circle around the injection point where doctor has given the injection for the anesthesia. So that pain was too much. When she put a black color on the spine itself, on the body, not in sujok, because if I put the sujok, I will not get the results, because sujok is a correspondence. It may take time to reach the energy to that particular area. If I am directly putting the color on the body, on the spine, so the result is amazing. The patient within 2 hours, I have given her 2 hours time. मैं कहा within 2 hours you will get, आपका दर्द जो है वो खत्म हो जाएगा और you can confirm back to me कि sir I am happy, my दर्द is gone. तो just it happened within 2 hours. Just after 2 hours she rang me up, sir my pain is completely gone in the sense that was hurting. Now that pain is not hurting. It means she is comfortable, she is relieved. 80% problem is solved. This is the Agarwal energy concept. Application of the color. Diagnosis of the color is more important for me. Okay, thank you so much. You can follow me on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Facebook also. You can follow me on my online classes on the Agarwal energy concept foundation course. There are 4-5 type of courses which I have designed especially for those who have all the knowledge of the TCM, Sujok, acupressure, reflexology. Even then they don't have the confidence. In my classes, I sharpen their knowledge, I open their vision, how to diagnose, how to apply the colors, how you become a successful therapist with a successful results. Thank you so much.